Good morning, people. Early morning at the factory, everyone's hard at work. I'm going to see if we can grab a few moments with Mr. Tung. Check out this. This is my boat. As you can see, it's beautiful. Good morning, everyone. This is Tung. Are you the head engineer here?
Yeah.
Excellent. What can you show us today? We'll try and get some words of wisdom from Tung every day. What can you show us today?
Just follow the standard here for the butt weld here. So this play 20 mm.
Yep.
And we need to bevel both sides here.
Yep.
And the gap between two play here, that's one from 0 to 3.
3 mil?
Yeah, maximum 3 mm.
Okay.
Yeah, from 0 to 3.
Okay.
And we bevel both sides.
Yep.
And we need to do some on this one and this one to make sure that during we welding, that's one we know distortion.
Okay.
That's one maybe.
Here's all the scheduling. And this is a condensed construction handbook for the construction crew to refer to. It's full of information directly related to this specific job, like these weld standards. And these are the standards and the company's construction code. These people are not mucking around at all. And look at the beautiful boat. Oh, baby. As you can see, we have steel supports bolted directly into the concrete floor. They then used a laser level and bolted these aluminium pieces to get exactly the right height for the keel at that point. And then the keel was tacked on just to hold it there. And this is the blade that Marco was telling us about when we had that interview. You may remember the interview we had with Marcos, the naval architect, 2 weeks ago.
In any case that there is an accident and the boat crashes at the front, even if it hits a marina, another boat, it doesn't matter. It literally acts like, you've seen these ancient Greek ships, it acts like protrudes, like goes through, because it has this blade at the front. It gets all the impact. So all of the tensions, all of the forces instantly coming into the hull at that point of contact, they transmit it along the length of the keel, all the length of the keel, which means all the structural members of each of the hull, they carry and they divide the tensions and the forces.
This, you will not see a stronger keel in any comparable boat. This is going to be a super strong boat. I mean, this is 20 mil. Look at that depth. And it's 120 high and it goes the entire length. My goodness. Comparably speaking to other boats like this, their keel is 25 mil round bar, and that's it. Look at the formulas for the moment of inertia between the round bar on the left and the Odyssea's keel on the right. The strength of the keel alone of the Odyssey is about 150 times the strength of the round bar on the left. I think we're going to have a very strong boat, people. Just quietly. And here we have all the pieces plasma cut and another part of the Barson operation. Here you can see the number 5083. This is an aluminium magnesium alloy that has excellent resistance to seawater and other chemicals. It has the highest strength of the non-heat treatable alloys, and what's more, it retains its strength after welding, so you will find 5083 used extensively in the shipbuilding industry.
This one we do intermittent.
Yeah.
Follow our welding schedule. That one we welding 75 here, and really 150 and 75 and 150 and 75. Really like that.
Why is that?
The one if we welding so much, that one is so much the heat will come to here, and we make the frame. That one is so much, and we follow the WPF from design. So that one is strong enough.
Okay.
And we do only many vessels. That's one is our standard.
They have made vessels out of aluminium up to 99 metres in length, and what's more, some of these go at 37 knots. So what Tung was explaining is standard practice is to do 75, lead 150 and 75. Now with this corner they have to go all the way around, but you still have got 75 on either side. The welders will work on say one section of aluminium up to a metre, and then that'll get too hot and then they go to another section. And this is a stiffener. This will be removed. This is basically just trying to keep it all straight.
Like, subscribe, comment.
Can you imagine how many hours this would have already taken me to get to this stage with all of this frame? I mean, I would say, I don't know, put it in the comments, how many hours? I'd say this is, with all of the work over there, I'd say this is 2 months, maybe even more. And this is 4 days. Crazy. Or is it 5 days? No, this is the 5th day. Unbelievable. God, these guys work hard. They're here at 7:30. They go to 5:30. Crazy. And they work Saturday. This boat's going to be built in no time at all. How long you reckon it'll take to finish the aluminium shell, people? Put your guess in the comments. Oh, here's the Bible, people. I don't know if I can show you this, but here's a quick look. Oh, there's a lot of goodies in that. All documented, all done properly. Who would have thought? It's a long way from building this in the middle of a paddock with a tarp and a bamboo structure. Mr. Tong invited me on a tour of the shipyard. There are floating dry docks, massive sheds to build large ships. These are the parts of the metal bases for the wind farms. Yeah. These are the wind farm bases getting put together. Check out these, people. Let's see how many meters they are. 1, 2, 3, 65, 66, 67 steps. So about 67 meters, people. It's crazy. Look at the size of them. They can make anything here in Vietnam, and I reckon it will boom over the next few years. Stay tuned for more build videos coming every week.